Hello and welcome to our new topic, fluid mosaic model of cell membrane. The fluid mosaic model of cell membrane was introduced by Singer and Nicholson in 1972. This model is considered as the developed version of the previous models, which was prominent at that time. The fluid mosaic model tried to say more convenient model or convenient structure, which included the structural and functional cell membranes. As we know, the fluid mosaic model is very much influenced from the other previous models. In that, they are mainly influenced from the sandwich model, or otherwise we can say that post-molecular model, which was introduced by Danley and Davison in 1935. In the sandwich model of cell membrane, Danley and Davison suggest that the cell membrane is formed like a sandwich model. When we are trying to zoom the cell membrane with the help of a microscope, we can see a sandwich model in that. That was the assumption made by Davison and Danley in 1935. That is named as the sandwich model. From that model, the fluid mosaic model is derived. In that model, they give some more clarification about the structural and functional aspects of the cell membrane. We can go through about the major highlighted points of the fluid mosaic model. According to this model, the cell membrane consists of a lipid bilayer, which we can say that it is a thick layer of two molecules. And also in that lipid bilayer, there are some protein molecules are embedded. And this is the major structure of a cell membrane according to the fluid mosaic model of membrane. And in that, when we look into the picture, we can see some carbohydrate chain also in that picture. So when we look into that, there is a lipid bilayer in the image, and also protein molecules are embedded, and also a small carbohydrate chains. And from this, we are aware about the structure of a cell membrane. And when come to the functional aspect, we can say that this lipid bilayer will help the fluidity and elasticity of a cell membrane. And also, we can say that the cell membrane have a two-dimensional liquid function. This two-dimensional liquid help to maintain a fluidity of the cell membrane, and also on other side it will help to restrict the diffusion happen in the cell membranes. We all know what is diffusion. Diffusion is the movement of the liquid to low concentrated area from a higher concentrated area. We know that the fluidity of the cell membrane became high. It will obviously cause a movement of, or we can say that simply diffusion will happen. That means the movement of liquid to outer side of the cell membrane. And in such case, the fluidity and elasticity of the cell membrane became lost. To avoid this, the cell membrane act as a two-dimensional liquid. These are the structural and functional aspects of the cell membrane, and this structural and functional aspect is defined by the fluid mosaic model of cell membrane. And this all are the basics of the fluid mosaic model of cell membrane. And we will discuss about the fluid mosaic model of cell membrane in the next class. And see you soon. Thank you all.